All right, we now have our two side pieces that are a width of about 50 millimeters. We're gonna now dial that in to their finished width of 45 millimeters using the small thickness planer. So everything's same as before. The dial is on the side and you're going to adjust it down until it just contacts. Then you're gonna go up a little bit and go down one rotation. You're gonna use the combination square set to 45 millimeters to check for your width. And we still have about 3 or 4 millimeters to go. So you're gonna turn it on, run it through, constantly checking it with the combination square until we get to our finished width of 45 millimeters. Perfect. Our side pieces are now both 45 millimeters in width. Our next step is over at the crosscut sled.